Snakes are fascinating reptiles with no legs, found in nearly every habitat on Earth. From massive constrictors like pythons to venomous hunters like vipers and cobras, their diversity is truly astonishing. Some species rely on deadly venom, while others use strength and stealth to capture their prey. Get ready for an exciting journey into the world of snakes. Let's begin. Boa constrictor. The boa constrictor kills its prey by wrapping around it and squeezing until the animal can no longer breathe. Pacific boa. The Pacific boa is a non-venomous snake found on South Pacific islands, often climbing trees to hunt birds and lizards. Cat-eyed snake. Cat-eyed snakes are mildly venomous and named for their vertical pupils, which resemble those of cats. Amazon ground boa. The Amazon ground boa lives on the forest floor, blending perfectly with leaf litter to ambush small mammals. Grass snake. Grass snakes are harmless, semi-aquatic reptiles that often play dead when threatened. Plains garter snake. The plains garter snake is one of the most widespread snakes in North America, thriving even near humans. Boomslang. The boomslang is a highly venomous African tree snake with excellent vision and a deadly rear-fanged bite. Paradise tree snake. Paradise tree snakes are famous for flying, by gliding from tree to tree using their flattened bodies. Texas coral snake. The Texas coral snake carries potent neurotoxic venom but is often confused with harmless look-alike species. Greenvine snake. The greenvine snake uses its slender, leaf-like body to stay invisible among tree branches while hunting. Indian cobra. The Indian cobra can expand its hood dramatically, making it one of the most recognizable snakes in the world. Milk snake. Milk snakes are harmless mimics of venomous coral snakes, using bright red, black, and yellow bands as protection. Carpet python. Carpet pythons are non-venomous constrictors that can grow over 13 feet, yet they're often kept as exotic pets. King cobra. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake on Earth, with enough venom to take down an elephant. Eastern coral snake. The eastern coral snake's bright red, yellow, and black bands warn predators of its potent neurotoxic venom. Corn snake. Corn snakes are popular in the pet trade because of their calm nature and vibrant color patterns. Inland taipan. The inland taipan, also called the fierce snake, delivers the most toxic venom of any land snake. Scarlet king snake. The harmless scarlet king snake mimics the deadly coral snake's colors to avoid being eaten. African bush viper. The African bush viper has keeled scales that give it a spiky, dragon-like appearance. Barron's green racer. Barron's green racers have striking blue or turquoise faces that make them stand out in the rainforest. Copperhead. Copperheads are masters of camouflage, often hiding in plain sight among fallen leaves. Eastern hognose snake. The eastern hognose snake is famous for playing dead with a dramatic performance when threatened. Green tree python. Green tree pythons spend most of their lives coiled on branches, blending perfectly with the rainforest canopy. Black-headed python. The black-headed python from Australia uses its dark head to soak up heat while the rest of its body stays hidden. Meadow viper. The meadow viper is Europe's smallest venomous snake, but its bite can still pack a serious punch. Cottonmouth. Cottonmouths, also called water moccasins, flash their white mouths as a warning before striking. Keeled slug snake. The keeled slug snake specializes in eating snails and slugs, thanks to its slim, curved jaws. Parrot snake. Parrot snakes are bright green, slender hunters that move with lightning speed through the trees. Rhombic egg-eater. The rhombic egg-eater survives almost entirely on bird eggs, swallowing them whole and cracking them inside its body. Aesculapian snake. The non-venomous Aesculapian snake was once a sacred symbol of healing in ancient Greek mythology. Cape wolf snake. The Cape wolf snake mimics venomous cobras with its hood-like posture, even though it's harmless. Levantine viper. The Levantine viper is one of the most dangerous vipers in the Middle East due to its potent venom and wide range. African rock python. The African rock python is Africa's largest snake, powerful enough to take down antelopes and crocodiles. Arabian sand boa. The Arabian sand boa buries itself in desert dunes, leaving only its tiny head exposed to ambushed prey. Central Ranges taipan. The Central Ranges taipan carries venom among the deadliest of any snake, yet it's rarely encountered by humans. Checkered garter snake. The checkered garter snake thrives near water and even releases a foul odor to scare off predators. Chinese cobra. The Chinese cobra spreads its hood wide and delivers a highly venomous bite that can be life-threatening. Horned viper. The horned viper is easy to recognize by the horn-like scales above its eyes, perfect for camouflage in the sand. Kenyan sand boa. The Kenyan sand boa is a colorful burrowing snake that spends most of its life hidden underground. Pine snake. Pine snakes use loud hissing and body vibrations to scare intruders, often mimicking a rattlesnake. Pygmy rattlesnake. The pygmy rattlesnake is one of the smallest rattlesnakes in North America, but its venom is still dangerous. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel Infomillion.